everyone, and welcome to my tutorial series on the basics of learning V-Ray. So we'll be starting off with a model just like this, and we'll be turning it into a render that will look something like this. So in this series we'll be going over everything from how to add textures onto the model, how to map the textures, adding the leaves around the model, as well as the trees and the grass, the landscape. This is what the final document will look like. And we'll be going through all of the V-Ray settings, such as the render output, camera settings, depth of field, and everything like that. That will eventually result in a render that looks like this. On this series, there will be no background music playing, so you're welcome to play your own music while you watch the series. Everything in this tutorial can be done using the evaluation version of Rhino as well as the trial version of V-Ray, so there's no need to purchase anything for this tutorial. This is the introduction to basic rendering. We won't be going over all the kind of advanced stuff. This is just how to produce a rendering like this in the quickest way possible. But yeah, so after this series we'll get into the more advanced side of rendering, but this is the kind of quality we're going to produce through this tutorial series. So let's get started in the next video.